Hey, what is up, guys? This is Mark here, and I have a special video that I'm going to share with you guys. So sit back, watch, and enjoy what is inside this box, and I'm going to tell you about what's going on with this box and all the exciting stuff that is about to come with the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event on August 5th, 10 a.m. You can watch it on Samsung.com. You can watch it on YouTube. It's going to be live streamed. But if you are a fan of Samsung products or even just mobile technology, you're going to want to watch this event. Samsung has some really awesome stuff planned to show us for this year. And as you know, with the circumstances globally, we cannot be at the Galaxy Unpacked event, so Samsung has prepared a virtual live event for us online. So it's going to be something very entertaining. You're going to see some amazing new products from Samsung, and here I am with me and my other Samsung members. We are going to be a part of the event, and I'm so excited for this opportunity. And I'm sure you're going to see some amazing stuff on August 5th. So don't forget to set your clocks, set your calendars, August 5th, 10 a.m. for the live virtual Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event. Alright, so let's talk about this box I have in front of me. So you may or may not know, I am a Samsung member, and I'm very happy and honored that Samsung has chosen me to be a Samsung member. I get to share my experiences with my Samsung products and the events with my fellow Samsung members across the world. And also, being a Samsung Care Ambassador, I get to help customers with their Samsung products, and I enjoy it very much. So if you do have any Samsung products, not just phones, tablets, laptops, your refrigerators, any other appliances or mobile technology, go to the Samsung community forums at the Samsung Members app on your Galaxy device. And me and my fellow Samsung ambassadors, we will try to help answer your questions that you may have. And then there's also an amazing group of people on there that will help you as well. So thank you for sitting here and watching and listening. Now let me tell you what this box is about. So today is July 30th. We received a package from Samsung. This is the Samsung Members exclusive package for the Galaxy Unpacked live event. So I've already opened it because I was very curious to see what was inside this box, and I wanted to prepare myself to be able to show you guys what it is and how it's going to be used. Now, like I said, me and my other fellow Samsung members got these packages today, and I am going to show you what's inside the box. So let's get started. This is going to be one awesome event, and we are going to be a part of it. Okay. All right, so let's take a look here. We've got this Galaxy Unpacked. Pretty nice box. Now let's see what's inside. And it is a virtual stage for us to watch the Galaxy Unpacked event. Ain't that pretty cool? When I opened this, I was kind of surprised that they had put some thought into having us Samsung members get to enjoy the Unpacked event in this awesome way. So this is, like I said, it's like a stage. Now inside here we have the nice blue Galaxy, some papers. That's my favorite color right there. Alright, so inside this box here we have a mini tripod with, of course, some Galaxy tags right there. And I'm sure this is a telescope, like one of them telescoping selfie tripods that I'm going to be using for the event. And so right here we also have a ring light. So this is going to be for when I'm creating my content while watching the event. And you just you hit the button right there and it gives you different brightnesses. Pretty cool. Like I said, this is all for us to enjoy the event. So let's see, let's check on the right side here. We have some really cool, let me just take that off. And as you can see, we have the smiley faces, the emojis, Samsung members, of course, gotta love that, and the Galaxy. So these will be, I'll use them for taking photos. Pretty cool stuff right there. Now let's check on the left side here. And I thought this was really cool. This is the Samsung members, a light up. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right? Definitely will be using that for some content. And let me see, is there anything else in the box? Like I said, I took a quick look before I wanted to sit down and record this video to show you guys and share this with you. I was pretty excited and did not know this was coming, but they really want us to have a great time at this event. Come on, box. Alright, giving me problems here. And then right here is where we are going to be placing our phones to sit down and watch the event, as I'm recording with my Galaxy S20 Ultra that Samsung sent me for attending the Unpacked event in San Francisco in February. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I've posted a lot of content from when I was in San Francisco with Samsung members, and look forward to for me creating a lot of awesome content for this year's online event for Galaxy Unpacked. Thank you for watching, and remember to set your calendars, set your clocks. August 5th, 10 a.m. for Galaxy Unpacked. There's going to be some awesome products Samsung's going to show off to us, and you can watch it on Samsung.com, or you could probably see it on YouTube from a live stream on air. So I look forward to it. I'm super excited. Me and my other fellow Samsung Care ambassadors are super excited for this year's virtual event. We wish we could be with each other to share the experience, but Samsung is making it the next best thing because of the global pandemic. So like I said, thank you again for watching, and stay tuned to my channel for more content on the Galaxy Unpacked event. Peace.